Good morning, everybody.
Yes, Sydaz.
I'm not gonna lie, I have not picked up the camera to actually do like a brand new vlog. I've pretty much switched up some things on my channel. I had a vlogging channel at the beginning of the year. As of recent, I've deleted it because I decided to put all my content on my main channel, which is Miss Sydz. So I've been posting a mixture of new content and old content. The old content coming from my other vlogging channel. So I haven't actually picked up the camera and vlogged like a brand new vlog, basically. So that is what I'm gonna do today. So mom and my younger brother's meant to be coming round as well, because believe it or not, I haven't actually seen them for quite some time. Well, my mom hasn't actually come to my house for quite some time because she's a little traitor. So she said, oh, I'm gonna come round today, and I was like, oh, shmoney's. Add a bit of butter. Pop my egg on. My sausages in half. That is my egg and sausage sandwich. It is gloomy and grey outside. Winter is here. Definitely need to start to do my Christmas shopping as well. But it's just so annoying, like how cold it is outside. Like, I can't even really cope like how cold it is outside. I'm not a winter person at all. I mean, I do like the concept of like being cozy in your house and hot chocolate and all that kind of stuff, but apart from that, I can't cope with this weather. Oh my god, guys, honestly, I'm so irritated. Like, I'm literally so irritated. So let me just explain. Yeah, when I book a nail appointment, or when I get my nails done, I always book an appointment. I'm not a type of person that likes to walk in. So I booked an appointment and I like a certain person to do my nails, okay? So I booked my appointment yesterday. When you book an appointment, they take down your name, your number, and the time, okay? So I left my house and I got to the car park about 11:15. My appointment was at 11 o'clock. Now this car park is basically Sainsbury's car park. So you can park in there, Sainsbury's customers technically, but up to 2 hours maximum. So I got inside the shop at 10 to 11, okay? So I thought, okay, I'm early, that's good, whatever. So the guy that was gonna do my nails came up to me and he was like, oh, listen, you know what? Could you come back in the next half an hour because there's only 2 of us and I'm currently doing somebody's nails. Now, I'm not gonna leave the shop to come back in half an hour just to walk the street because at the end of the day, it's cold outside, I'm with my kids, I have nowhere to go, so I'd rather just sit in the shop. Anyway, I'm sitting in the shop now.
10 minutes goes by, 20 minutes goes by, half an hour goes by, 40 minutes goes by, 45 minutes goes by, 50 minutes goes by.
So I'm looking at the time thinking, excuse me, like you said that you was gonna be half an hour. Now, I don't mind the 10-20 minutes delay. Obviously to take into consideration that I was 10 minutes early, yeah? But you're making me sit down and wait for you for almost an hour. So that means I've passed an hour in my parking time as well. So I said to the guy, oh, how long are you gonna be? Because I've parked in this car park and I've only got an hour left. He said another 10 minutes. So now I've waited for an hour and 10 minutes. Now you looked at my nails. My nails are not the basic acrylics, okay? There's 2 different colors of powders. So you've got the pinky base and the white tip base. You obviously have to shape them to get the white tip effect. So it does take longer than a normal basic acrylic with polish, right? So he looks at my nails, noticed I've got a broken nail as well, and he was like, oh, you know what? This is gonna take longer than an hour. So I'm like, well, I can't stay longer than an hour. So then he's telling me, could you just come back tomorrow? So I'm thinking to myself, hold up a minute. You made me leave my house with my 2 pitney them in the cold to sit in your shop for over an hour. The thing is, what frustrates me as well is the fact that you know it was only going to be 2 members of staff, including yourself, in the shop today because the other member of staff is on holiday. You've got my contact number. You could have just called me up and be like, you know what, I can't do 11 o'clock, could you come later or could you come tomorrow? It would have saved me the hassle to get the picnic them ready, to pack the baby bag, to get the bottle done, all this kind of palaver, jump in my vehicle, drive down the road to basically be told to come back tomorrow. So I've actually got a delivery. I had to reorder a storage box because I've got one storage box from Donnell's, which looks like this. So I've got the blush pink one to match my room. What's happening here, love? You're right in London. There you go. So yeah, so I've got one, and for the kids' room, I got them a grey one, completely destroyed, because when we moved into, or when we was moving into our flat, we basically used the storage box for everything. It was like our store, it was our chair, it was our storage box. So we literally used this for everything. But now, like, look, it's like completely destroyed. Like even here, like just completely destroyed. So I had to get a new one. What I really like about these, this is from Donnell's, is that they're foldable as well. So I don't know, they're just really nice. So they come like this. You open it up like so. You put this inside to keep the square frame. Bada bing, bada boom, brand new. So easy, really nice. I just love it. Like, I really like them. So yeah, you can even tell how brand new this is. Like, look at the texture, the gloss, the sheen, the crushed velvet effect in comparison to this one. I mean, it's not too bad actually, but the lid, you can definitely see the difference. Definitely can see the difference. Now, I'm quite a personal person, believe it or not, and I know that's very contradicting to say, because there's only so much you can be personal when you choose to put your life on a worldwide platform such as YouTube. And if you may notice, or probably don't notice or whatever, but when it comes to my content, especially like family vlogs, I do have my children in my vlogs. However, I keep them in my vlogs very limited. Like most of the time, like 9 out of 10, the camera is on me. The camera's on what I'm doing. I don't really show a lot of part when it comes to the children. My mum and my brother, yes, but when it comes to the kids, no, because I know there's a lot of nasty people out there, a lot of opinionated people, and just dirty people in general, yeah. So a lot of people have DM'd me, messaged me, or emailed me to say, oh, why don't I do like challenges with my partner, boyfriend tags and stuff like that. Now, I'm just gonna be I'm gonna be as real as possible, and I might actually do quite a in-depth separate video on this as well. I am actually a single mother, okay? And when I mean single mother, I mean as in me and my partner, my baby father, my baby daddy, whatever you want to say, we are not together. It's fine. Like, I've been single for a very, very, very long time. We were together for a very, very, very long time, but we are officially separated. This is my life. Like, this is what I show you guys. Like, you know, I try to do my best to be me, to be the best mother to my children, to juggle my life, because I literally, the only way for me to explain it, my life has done a complete 360. Like, this time last year, I was pregnant with my son. I was living between my mum's house and my partner's house at the time, working, like just that type of lifestyle. And then now I'm living on my own with 2 kids, doing this. So it's weird. I can't really explain it. I hope you guys get what I'm trying to say, but my life's literally done a 360. However, I am very blessed though. Do not get it twisted. Like, as much as that doesn't sound like the most uplifting message, I'm a type of person that I get on with it. Does that make sense? Like, I literally take every day as it comes. Like, I don't like to wallow in pity. I don't like to be miserable and be upset and crying all the time and feel vulnerable. Like, I hate that feeling. So I literally just get up and just do what I need to do. And yeah, so that's part of the reasons why you guys won't see certain content from me when it comes to my baby father. So I just want to get it out there. Some people probably didn't even really care for this message, but this is for the people that have asked me personally, like, what's been going on. So that's it. So anywho, this is the thing about having kids, right? Especially at a young age. So I've introduced baby boy to these carrot sticks, like these organic carrot sticks or carrot puffs. Where is it? So yeah, these organic melty carrot puffs, right? So you've got the puffs and you've got the sticks. And I know this is gonna sound such a selfish thing to say as a mother, yeah, but I cannot stand when kids eat, because they are the messiest human beings on earth when it comes to eating food, and it actually gives me anxiety. Like, if you see the state of this boy, my god.
I'll put the question on in your carpet, mommy.
But he's like proper like having the time of his life. Look at you.